everybody. It is Thursday, March 5th, and we're going to take a quick look at Bitcoin. From last night's Zoom session, everything's pretty much playing out like we have been anticipating. So this has been our box that I've had on my chart for a while now, and this is the target that we've been talking about. We finally hit the first target, which is 382, flipping all of the support back into resistance, and we already have our little rejection off of here. No big deal. It's still early. It's still quite a bit. We just opened this candle. Uh, let's see here if it shows up on here. Here's the 1 hour. So here's a close up. So this yellow line is 382. So we're pretty much right on that. Next, I am expecting this to either come down from here, though I think we'll probably go up to this gap line here. Gap lines are very well for playing support, like you saw here, and also resistance. Now, the most bullish scenario that I see is going to be hitting right in here, this resistance line, and all of this is going to do, whether we stop here, or we stop here, or we come up to here, is create another lower high, excuse me, before coming down and creating another lower low. We still haven't hit 0.618, and we still haven't filled the gap here on the 4 hour. So that's going to be the most likely scenario. But during this move here, if we're going to continue to move up here, you can see the reaction for the rest of the market. Rest of the market, it's reacting really nice to the news, to Bitcoin's move. We got Engine at up 8%. We've got almost every pair except Civic and a couple of other ones that are in red. Almost everything else is in green. You've got COS at 13%. I think ISIX has almost a 30% move. There it is right here, 25 as of right now. And that hit 382 and is now in a red candle. But that had a really nice move earlier today. This candle alone was a 28% candle. So other than that, everything else is looking pretty much how we talked about. Nothing to get too excited. If you bought when it was low from our Zoom sessions, then you can do one of two things. You can move up your stop loss, and you can take some profit on this move to the upside, or hold and wait for long-term targets. I know many of you guys are long-term traders, so you're not interested in these small moves here. You guys are looking at the much bigger picture, like the daily and the weekly, and have your targets for free positions, and that's fine as well. But for some of you day traders and scalpers, this is the opportunity right now to take some profit and move your stop loss up, secure that, depending, because we don't know which one of these three targets are going to hit before coming back down. So you can easily write up those stop losses and then take your profit. And when we come back down in here, reload. Don't get too greedy. Start buying in a safe zone. So this isn't a safe zone to buy. When I say safe zone, it means you scale in as we start getting into support again, and then on the way down, you start to buy. This way you're covered. Nobody really knows exactly where things are going to bounce or where they're going to bottom out. So it's always safer to find an area that has support and resistance like this here, and then start scaling into your positions, back into your positions for another rinse and repeat. Like we talked about in yesterday's Zoom session, we had an extensive talk as far as the target of where Bitcoin is headed. So if you want to know, go to last night's Zoom session. It was a 1 hour in-depth look at Bitcoin. So you guys can go in there and see where we're headed. All right, guys, have a good day, and we'll see you tonight at our nightly Zoom session.